Pablo, the guardian of the enchanted forest. Once upon a time, in a vast bamboo forest in China, there was a baby panda named Pablo. He was still very small, but very curious to discover the world around him. His parents, Penelope and Percival, watched over him with tenderness and love. One day, as he explored the surroundings, Pablo found himself facing a sparkling river. Intrigued, he timidly approached and discovered the joy of playing in the cool water. He jumped, dove, and splashed happily, letting his joy and innocence as a child shine forth. Over the days, Pablo continued his explorations and made beautiful encounters with the other inhabitants of the forest. He befriended a family of playful squirrels who led him into wild games in the trees. He learned to sneak agilely between the branches and to jump from branch to branch with agility and grace. He also discovered the melodious song of the birds, the graceful dances of the butterflies, and the intoxicating scent of the wild flowers. One day, while resting under a large 100-year-old oak tree, Pablo heard a fleeting rustle behind him. He turned around and saw a family of red foxes staring at him curiously. Intrigued, the little panda approached slowly and discovered the gentleness and mischief of these charming animals. They taught him how to sneak discreetly through the thickets and play hide and seek in the bushes. Over the seasons, Pablo grew and flourished in the lush nature that surrounded him. He learned to recognize different plant and animal species, to respect their natural habitat, and to live in harmony with them. He became an ambassador for wildlife, transmitting to all the animals of the forest his joy of life, his insatiable curiosity, and his love for nature. One day, while exploring a mysterious marsh with dark waters, Pablo made an extraordinary discovery. He found a rare and precious flower, with shimmering petals and an enchanting fragrance. Fascinated, the little panda approached it with respect and humility, then gazed at it in wonder. He then understood the magic of nature, the beauty of life, and the necessity of protecting it at all costs. At dusk, as the sun was setting slowly on the horizon, Pablo peacefully returned home, his heart filled with happiness and emotion. He found his parents, who were eagerly waiting for him with affection. Together they shared a delicious meal of bamboo, then fell asleep under the sparkling stars, lulled by the song of nature. And that's how Pablo the baby panda discovered the wonderful richness of nature, the magic of life, and the beauty of the world around him. He became an attentive and caring guardian of the forest, watching over all its inhabitants and preserving its fragile balance. And every day, he continued to explore, learn, and grow in this vast and magnificent universe, where life was an eternal enchantment.